everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial is going to be on glamorous Bratz doll makeup. So let's just begin. So I'm going to begin with Pond's lightweight moisturizer. I have already moisturized my skin, but area under my eyes have dried up a little. So I'm going to moisturize it again. Next I am using primer. Now this is going to give me a smooth base, and along with smooth base it's also going to give me a protective shield on my skin. Yes, primer acts as a shield for creative art makeup. Now I already have a good jawline, but then dolls have a narrow face structure, so I'm going to use a sellotape underneath my jawline. That's going to give me a narrow face structure just like a doll. Now here I am using a soap to flatten out my eyebrows. You can also use glue stick. Well, my eyebrows are fully grown and this was a difficult step to conceal them. You have to keep repeating the procedure till you get the right flattened brows. Now I am using an orange concealer over here to hide those dark, pigmented, bushy brows. Now this was really difficult, guys, because I had to keep adding layers and layers and blend it well to get a smooth finish. Okay, so now I am using Fit Me foundation to set my base. Just in case you don't know, I am using PAC makeup brushes kit, out of which this is concealer brush I am using for application of my base, that is my foundation, and then I am going to blend it with Wet Damp Beauty Blender. Now I'm going a little low for highlighting my face. It's almost below my under eyes. As you all can see, it's on my cheeks. That is for obvious reasons. I'm going to draw my doll eyes on my under eyes. So that's why I'm going a little low with highlighter. Also guys, if you are new here, consider subscribing to my channel, and I would like to know your views on how did you find this makeup look. Don't forget to comment in the comment section. Now I'm going to draw my new eyes with a nude lip pencil, because that way it's easy to just erase out if any mistake happens. It's easy to blend out into the skin. Next, with this white paint, I'm going to fill in the whites of my eyes. I am filling it very carefully inside the nude lines. Now I am going to draw an iris with PAC gel eyeliner. Now I'm also going to fill my waterline, because that's going to help to blend the waterline into the new iris. Now I'm going to draw a semicircle under my black iris, and I'll also be adding white dot so that it gives a more sparkling eye effect. Now I'm going to fill that white semicircle with brown eyeshadow, because that's going to give a brownish eye effect. My eyeballs are going to look brown. I'm taking this neutral silver shade from the NYX palette, and that I'm going to apply on my eyelids, filling it in a cut crease way, covering the entire eyelids of my doll eyes. Now I am taking this deep orange brown shade for my transition eyeshadow, and I'll be blending it smoothly on my concealed eyebrows. Now this is not easy, because the thicky bushy eyebrows there is going to irritate me while blending, but still I'm going to keep patience and keep blending till everything turns smooth and well blended. Now I'm outlining my eyes, that is on that nude pencil, with a black eyeliner. Now I'm drawing my fake eyebrows about my natural one, and I'm keeping it thin and light, just like a doll. I'm going to smudge the deep brown eyeshadow below my new waterline. Painting some lashes. Moving on to the nose. Now I have a very big nose and dolls have a thin narrow nose, so I'm going to contour it very carefully, making sure that my nose appears a little thin and sharp. Now I'm going to create this nice flush of pink blush on my cheeks, just like Dolls has. Now I'm going to senselessly overdraw my lips. I know it looks very funny at the moment, but that's how a doll lips are, big and pouty. Now I'm going to fill in the place between my new lips with my Huda liquid matte lipstick. We'll be filling the mauve color in between my lips. That's going to give an ombre effect, followed by some white strokes and dots for a more realistic looking lips. So yes, pretty much done with my Bratz doll makeup look. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. Also let me know in the comment section, how did you like this makeup? Do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching, guys.